Back home now, Henry Thomas of UCT Steppers took top honors in the 5K section of Sunday's third staging of the Heart Foundation of Jamaica Run for Your Heart. The event saw an increased number of competitors over last year's numbers facing the starter. Thomas won in 16 minutes and 41 seconds, ahead of Kamar Leslie of Rainforest Seafood, 17 minutes and 27 seconds. Dave Pusey of Carimed was third across the line in 17 minutes and 33 seconds. Thomas said he took advantage of the absence of some of the top road racers.
Well, it was a pretty good one. Just came out here to enjoy myself and to see what the route is like. My first time running this road, so I just came out to enjoy myself. But it was a good one.
The women's equivalent was won by the Puma duo of Joseph Van Der Veen and Michelle Riley of the United States, who crossed the line together, clocking 20 minutes and 41 seconds. They were followed by Josanna Harris of Jam Diamonds in 21 minutes and 51 seconds. Verdine and Riley, who are Puma designers, are in Jamaica on business, but as former athletes decided to compete after hearing about the event.
Lovely. It's a very important cause, and I'm so happy what the organization Running Events Jamaica is doing for the people of Jamaica. They're educating them, making them aware of how important it is to exercise and to eat healthy for a long longevity, for a long healthy life. That's so important. So I'm very happy to see that, and we're very happy to support that.
The course was great. It was very easy to follow. The markers were helpful, and I didn't really pay attention too much to distance. I just went out there to have fun and enjoy the sun, which we don't have in Boston right now, so it's been good.
8-year-old Adane Davidson took the 2K male division in 7 minutes and 11 seconds, ahead of Jelani Clutcher, 7 minutes and 43 seconds. Jacob Matalon was third in 8 minutes and 51 seconds. Over in the female division, it was 6-year-old Gabrielle Wellington, 9 minutes and 49 seconds, who triumphed. Abigail Corrigan was second in 10 minutes, 03 seconds, and Samantha Samuda, 10 minutes, 4 seconds, third. Executive Director of the Heart Foundation of Jamaica, Deborah Chen, was pleased with the increased numbers.
Healthy eating and having our heart checked. But we need to get screened at least once a year to check our heart, even as we lead a healthy lifestyle with what we eat and our exercise.